Welcome to today's hands-on Kubernetes tutorial. Get ready to deploy your first pod on Kubernetes. We are starting with a simple app pod. To deploy a pod, we need a YAML configuration file. You can either create this file manually or use kubectl to generate it for you. Let's take a look at the command. If you look at the output, kind represents the type of Kubernetes object we are deploying. Labels can be used by selector to find the desired pod. And name is of course name of the pod, and it has to be unique across the cluster. Now let's save this to a file. Now let's apply this config to our cluster with the command. Oops, we hit an error. It seems we can't use uppercase character in the service name, which is the name of our pod. Let's fix that. Now let's apply the configuration again. It should be deployed in no time. Once done, let's check the status. Our pod is up and running. But did you know you can also view it in Kubernetes UI? Just use Minikube dashboard to open a browser window with Kubernetes UI. Now, you might be wondering if you can access your Nginx instance. Sadly, not yet. Also, as mentioned before, pods can auto-heal themselves. Let's demonstrate that. Once it is deleted, it is gone for good. Next time, we'll dive into using deployment sets to ensure pods are always available and automatically starts a new one if lost. Stay tuned for more Kubernetes adventure, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next one.